In this video series, we are going to see how we can use Bootstrap to design the user interface of a web application or a system that we will be creating later. And in this video series, our only goal is to show how Bootstrap can be used to create visually pleasing designs with HTML and CSS. First, I'm going to create a folder inside the Angular folder in my workspace, and I will give a name like stu-info-sys, and this folder is the one that we are going to place all uh, our files. So I'm going to now open the Visual Studio Code. And in VS Code, I will first close this current project, and next I will open this new folder inside VS Code. Then first thing we have to do is to create the index.html file. After creating the file, I can simply use the exclamation mark to create the boilerplate code. Next, I will use the terminal in the VS Code to install Bootstrap in our project. For that, I'm going to use npm space I and then Bootstrap, and this will install Bootstrap. After installing Bootstrap, we can see that Node modules folder has created, and within Node modules we can see the Bootstrap folder. Also we can see the package.json file. Next, I can link to the bootstrap.main.css file in the head section of our HTML file. Just above the title tag, I am going to use the link, and after that I can link to the bootstrap.min.css file, which is in the node modules folder. Node modules, then we have to go to Bootstrap, then we need to go to dist and then CSS, and then we have to select the bootstrap.min.css file. Also, just above the closing body tag, we need to use the script tag to link to the JS file from the Bootstrap. So I'm going to use node modules bootstrap dist and then JS, and then I'm going to select bootstrap.bundle.min.js. Instead of just link to the bootstrap.min.js, we have to link to the bootstrap.bundle.min.js. Next, I'm going to change the title to something like Student Information System. And inside the body, I will use h1 tag and place some text within the h1 tag, and by doing that we can confirm that Bootstrap has correctly installed. Also, I'm going to use a button with the classes btn and btn-primary, and we should see a button with blue color when we open this in the browser. We can now see the button with the blue color and the text also showing the Bootstrap styles. So we can confirm that Bootstrap has installed correctly.